Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany Angel and I'm here to talk with you today about new technology. I do want to introduce you to Adobe Spark. It is a free online and mobile graphic design app that I just started using and I'm very excited about it. A small team in Adobe created it not only for small businesses and bloggers and social media marketers, but also for a new generation of students that want to communicate their ideas in an impactful way. And the good thing about it is, regardless of your design experience or your budget, you'll be able to do that using Adobe Spark. And it's a one-stop content shop for creating and sharing visual stories that will absolutely be awesome and wow your audience. So if you go to Google and you type in Adobe Spark, the first thing that comes up after the ad should be this. If you click on Login, it'll take you to this screen so you can use your Facebook to log in, your Google account. You can sign up with your email. If you already have an Adobe ID, you can log in there, which I do. So I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you a little bit of my work that I've done in Adobe Spark. I'm currently using it in my professional position here at CSUSB. And I'm also going to start using it as a student as well. It's so easy to use, so easy to edit, so easy to share. Looks like I forgot my password already. Okay. So you'll see I already have projects created. And if you click over here and you click on my projects, it takes you back to that screen where it shows you some of my work. Before I get into a little bit of detail on Spark, I just want to show you what I've created. Now this here is going to be a post, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it as a JPEG, and then I'm going to embed it in an email. And this is going to be the main subject of my email. I'm giving just a brief description of what I have going on currently, which is our benefits fair, the date, and then if they want to know more, they're going to actually be able to click on here and it will take them to the page I created that has all of the information and details. But I just like it because it catches your eye. It looks very clean, and I was able to quickly design this. It took me probably a good 10 minutes. All I did was choose my design, which is here. If you scroll down, you can see you can select all of these. Now some of them may not be able to populate here if you select it, because it is a free app. So of course, you know, with free, not everything is going to be available to you unless you get the full paid version. So I just want to make sure you're aware of that, but most of them are. You can change the layout and pretty much everything else about it if you wanted to. You would simply just do add, and if I click there, it'll ask me what do I want to do. Do I want to add a photo or add text? But this is going to be the main part of my email to pretty much catch the staff and faculty's attention to make them want to find out more about the benefits fair. If I clicked on share, I can click download and it would actually let me save it as a JPEG, which then I can continue with what I wanted to do with it. Or you can also share the link. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, email it out. If I were to make any changes to the current post that I have here, if I clicked update link, because I had already sent this out, it would automatically update it, and when they open it, it would show the new version. It's so simple to use. I just absolutely love it. I am new to design, and I think this is just the best app I could use. You can also do all of this from your phone. So again, that was my post that I created. And then this is my actual page that once they click on the post, the hyperlink will take them over to my page. This is the page here. It's the 2017 Benefits Fair. And if you scroll down, now this is going to be actually my version that you're looking at. So you're seeing it not from the receiver side, you're seeing it from the editor side. So that's why you see the plus signs here. If I were to click on it, It's asking me what do I want to do or add. I'll show you what it looks like shortly in the email, but this is what the actual page looks like. This one is just a bunch of detail. And then I added a photo at the bottom. And it always gives credit to who created this. So you'll see when I actually preview it. And you can click on preview anytime to see your work as you're going. This is what the page actually looks like. You'll see the plus signs are gone. So this is what the viewers will see when you send it out or share the link. And then at the bottom here, it gives you credit. And it also gives credit to those that created or took those photos. You can get out of preview mode here. I can share it from here. So again, here's the link. I can embed it, email it, share it on Twitter or Facebook. If I wanted to edit the details, I could change the title of it and take off, if I want to take off the photo credits and my name, stuff like that. To remove branding, of course, you see you have to purchase the full branding. Now, when it comes to Adobe Spark, there's 3 actual things you can do. You can do the Spark post, and this makes it easy for you to create awesome social posts and graphics. And you're able to resize and transform your social media feed within seconds using Spark Post. Then they have Spark Page. This previously used to be Adobe Slate, and it pretty much lets you create beautiful web stories combining text and graphics, which I already showed you what I'm using it for. So you can use it as a student. It doesn't have to just be personal use for your social media sites. You can use it as a student. You can use it as a professional in the business world. So I mean, I think it's absolutely awesome. You've seen my post that I created. And then there's also Spark Video. This previously was Adobe Voice, and it offers a way to create animated videos without having, filming experience or expensive equipment. And so you're able to customize themes and images. And in order to use those, you would just simply click here, and under My Projects, you'll see the plus sign with Post Page Video. So I would just select one of those if I wanted to start a project. There's also an inspiration gallery. If you click there, it'll show you what others have made. So that can help you get an idea of what to do. And then you can also go to the blog to read more information, Spark features. So let's see, if I wanted to create a post, I'd simply click there. And we'll just say welcome to the Spark family. Let's just say that. And you can pick a graphic size, so depending on where you're going to post it, we'll just say it's going to go on Facebook. So it already makes it to the size that it needs to be compatible with Facebook. And then you would simply choose your design here. So let's just say I liked that one. And then there it is. Now it just changed the layout. It doesn't actually give you the photos that were in there. If you wanted to add photos, you can do that very easily. You'll just click on add. And let's just say we're going to add a photo. You can either upload or find photos. Let's say Spark photos. Let's just say photos of a dog. And it brings up beautiful photos that are easy to use. There's no pixelation or anything like that. Very clear photos. And let's just go with that one. There it is. If I wanted to adjust it, I could. I could move it over there. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. Let's see, we'll add another photo. Sparks. And we can move that over there. We can take this text box and move it up. And it will actually align it for you. See right there, it tells me it's right in the middle. So now if I was done, I could go to share. It's saving it for me. There it is. I could publish it if I wanted to. And if I go back over here, under my projects, it comes up automatically. So we can go share. I could download it and save it, and then I can add it into an email. So this is your brief introduction to Adobe Spark. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like it as much as I do. I encourage you to go and try it out. Again, you can use it as a student or in the professional, in your professional lives. I think you'll really get a kick out of it. So hopefully you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you so much.